What's up? What's up? Weekend ngayon and we are bored. As you guys can see, we have these woods. We have tons of flowers.
Lumber in order to build a raised garden. And then we also bought a whole bunch of flowers and
Vegetables
and herbs. So Erica can plant them.
Today. So yeah,
So
guys.
this is gonna be our today's project. Building this and finishing it. We just need the soil, but I think we are at max capacity in our little pickup truck.
Pickup truck, it's a sedan car. Just keep on watching and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And guys, it's really hard to talk when you have a mask on. And
No,
anyways,
it's not. I feel like Naruto. I feel like a ninja.
no, I feel like I'm
Got
mumbling.
this monkey toy for London. Every time that I go out and go to grocery store, I always have to have something for him. He's friggin' spoiled. Daddy, let me see your face. Oh my god, I can see the similarity.
It looks like you when you wear lipstick.
See guys, these are the flowers that we got earlier. So they can get some vitamin D. Oh my god, maybe I can already imagine over there with London. Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna plan it tonight. Thank you, Dad. Woohoo! Here, Marco. This one. Ooh, so pretty. So guys, ito nga pala yung mga nabili naming herbs and vegetables. We got heirloom tomatoes. We got basil. This is a must because I don't have to buy basil kapag magluluto ako. Flat parsley, zucchini, cherry tomato, rosemary, sesame leaf, and more tomatoes and zucchini. We are going back to Lowe's. So this is the second time that we're going back to Lowe's.
Third time.
What? Was it
Remember we were leaving Lowe's and then you saw some plants
Oh my god.
and you were like, oh, let's go back. I want to see those.
Yeah, right. Third time. Pabalik kami sa Lowe's para bumili ng soil para dun sa garden. I can't remember what's the name. Garden bed garden. How do you pronounce it? Garden bread. Garden bread. Look at this. Oh, nice. Oh, see, it's cheaper in Walmart than
Really?
here. Yeah.
Duh.
Duh. So guys, we are here inside Lowe's. And we're
See if
just
they
getting
still have the
some.
mirror.
Yeah, let's see. Hey, social distancing. Come here. This one?
Yeah.
Should be good because I can just put this.
Yeah, that'll be perfect.
I wanna get this.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
It's very nice.
It's soft. I'll get it.
I like the design.
Yeah? I'll pay for it.
Okay.
We also need to get a vehicle where we can get that.
It's heavy though. How can I get that?
Because I suspect that somebody
You have one of the employees help you out.
Sir? Can we get that one, please? Thank you so much. Look at you! Look at the muscle! So guys, we're returning this one. It's because, I don't know guys if you notice it. It has like a dog hair all over it. Good thing I have a 20/20 vision. So, we are getting new one. See? Oh, see? This one is open and that one is closed. This area is our weakness. Every time I see new flowers, I'm just like, I want this in my life. Oh, wait, baby.
I know.
There's new ones. Guys,
Yeah.
we literally spent almost $100 just for a freaking flower. Daddy. Oh my god, those are pretty, huh? Yeah, I think so. Look at this, guys. This is our weakness, guys. Oh my god, look at this. Lily, it's so pretty. we are done here finally and we are going home. London, what did you do with the ears? Hi, baby. What are you doing?
Cleaning my bathroom.
Are you cleaning your bathroom? What a good girl you are. Oh my goodness. Oh, we need to roll this first. Can you get the scissor, baby? And you know what? We need to play some music. Music! London! Come here! Come here, my baby! Get away! Go away! Go away! Man, this is so heavy! Wow! No, it's the same size! Yeah! Oh my god, what is that? Careful!
Oh.
Yes! Yay! Tea, baby.
Thank you, Mama.
Wanna try it? Yeah. Come here. Is that what's good? It is that. Let's go, bro. I'm just digging holes right now. You're gonna put fertilizer?
Yeah, you can put a little bit on top of it, whatever is left over.
Something. Close your eyes.
Good?
No. Ah, just open it. You like it?
Whoa.
It's so pretty, huh?
Yeah. Oh, you planted it.
I bought this earlier at Target. Isn't it so cute, guys? Hey, London. So I bought this. Was like $10. I'm gonna add this to our mirror right here. What is it? So I'm gonna add this in the mirror because look at, guys. This is the mirror that we bought at Lowe's. It's like full-length mirror. It's so beautiful, guys, and it's so heavy duty. And I have another one right here. I'm gonna put it right there so it just doesn't look like it's kind of empty. They can see your butt. You can see your butt. Oh my goodness. So this is what it looks like. What do you guys think? Is it cute or not? I just want to put it there so it just doesn't look so empty. Everything is so, it's like all gray. So I just want to add green. I don't know. I'm thinking what to put in the middle. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. What should I put there?
Next time, try to make it go straighter. Keep going now.
That's like slanted.
I know.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Can't even see it. Sorry. My bad.
Yeah. Okay. And then after that, you go ahead and finish it. I'm gonna go grab a snack. Okay. I'll take a nap. Bye.
What?
Look at that nose. The other way, baby. The small wheels towards you.
I'm saying I'm not born or something.
Oh.
Holy moly, guacamole!
Is it for real?
Huh?
For real?
we are almost done. Actually, it's 7:17 and we haven't even eaten dinner. Dinner namin is Korean barbecue. And we decided to eat Korean barbecue para naman, you know, hard work pays off kasi. Watch out your back.
Oh, slap me in the face. Let's go.
One down. There you go. Perfect.
Basil is my favorite herb of all time.
Hi,
I just
Bobo.
love the flavor, and I
Hey.
just love the taste. Really fancy. It tastes really so good.
Mess with it. If they do, I'm gonna kill them.
Say that. You know what? This is organic. I think I can just put this right here.
You sure?
Yeah. That's what it says.
Time to celebrate success. Smells like I need a bath and fertilizer. Well deserved.
Yay!
She's going hardcore. She's
Oh my
drinking out of
God.
the bottle. Not me.
Cheers!
Cheers.
We're drinking soju, guys.
Some soju time. Here it is. Woo, woo. This is our reward after a hard day's work. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. This is so good. It's a teamwork. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you so
It
much.
was real teamwork.
No, thank you for your patience.
While I was doing that box thingy right there, she was busy doing this and she was still helping me out.
It's okay, baby. It's a teamwork, you know?
And while we were doing that, London was supervising just like this the entire time. And Misha was being a shinobi in training. She's Naruto, the next generation. Whoa!
Whoa!
All right.
Don't forget to give us a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys on our next vlog. And if you have any suggestion, just let us know.
Ooh.
Bye, guys!
What's gonna be our next DIY project?
Wow.
Oh, that's your makeup room.
Yes, my makeup.
Yeah, that's the
So,
next DIY
It's
project.
gonna be a long project because I don't have the stuff. Where do we buy all my decorations? But we'll see. We'll figure it out. We already bought some stuff. Maybe let's go eat. Bye,
Yeah,
guys. It's gonna burn.